And you're gonna go all the way around the US in this thing. Good luck.
Hey there, my Vangabonders, it's me. I'm alive. And I'm here to answer your questions like, where's the bus? What happened to the trip? Why are there no videos? Are you alive? Well, I'm alive, the bus is alive, and the trip might be dead, but I have something to show you guys. And I don't know if you noticed that seamless transition, but there is something great here that is gonna make you guys happy. Or not really, because you guys have seen the bus a million times. But here she is, back in Georgia, where it all began. Also where I have all my tools. Meaning, we can begin to actually fix it and hopefully visit the good old guys at State Line Wagons. As you can see, things are almost exactly how I left them. The old carb that took me most of the way, and the new carb that took me from Kansas to Colorado, something like that. But I just wanted you guys to know that I'm gonna try to get you guys some videos now that I'm in Georgia and get the sun in my face. And stay tuned for what's to come. If you don't want to stay tuned, you don't have to. But thank you guys for the ones who still comment and still follow and leave those nice things. I appreciate it a lot. You know, I really wish that I could produce more for you guys, and it's been really difficult considering I have no time to do anything. But just for those people who comment and say I want to see more videos and want to know what's going on, this is for you guys. So thanks for sticking through, and we'll see what we can do when it comes to videos. We told them, see if it runs, and then next thing you know, there's absolutely nothing that has to do with it running.